In this video, we showcase a Detroit Speed and Engineering built 730 horsepower 1965 Buick Riviera GRAN Sport owned by Jeff Mosing. Steering wheel custom designed, incorporating elements of the factory look while integrating paddle shifters. Relocated tail light assemblies from the bumper to the tail panel. Finished pieces machined out of brass and chrome plated. 468 cubic inch black label LSX Chevy V8 from Mast Motorsports. Exterior paint inspired by Ferrari's Rosso Mugello Red PPG 919506. Corvette ZR1 carbon brakes, Bosch Motorsports ABS, and JRI's hydraulic coilover system. JRI hydraulic piston in the coilover allows ride height to be altered, enabling the suspension to raise and lower the vehicle by as much as 3 inches. Wood inserts in the door panels and center console constructed from bloodwood planks milled down to veneers and satin clear-coated. Scratch-built rear suspension using Quadralink system components. Ollie Dominator EFI system producing 730 naturally aspirated horsepower. 3D scanned factory headlight assemblies and designed to match the spacing of the grille bars. Bosch Motorsports ABS system, Brembo calipers and carbon ceramic rotors. Hand fabricated the front and rear bumpers to look stock but sleeker and tucked tight to the body. Bowler Performance, 6L90E transmission with a shiftwork shifter and an Earl's transmission cooler. Front and rear bumpers removed and built from scratch. Rear roll pan reshaped. Rocker areas reworked, allowing the exhaust and lower quarter panels reshaped. Mast custom 3-bolt core cam and Mast black label LS1 295 cubic centimeter cylinder heads, and the rear is a completely new 3-link design. Roadster Forgeline wheels measuring 19 by 8.5 front and 20 by 10 rear. Grafted a first-gen Camaro hydroform subframe assembly. Recaro bucket seats plus a pair of custom bucket seats in the rear with a center display. Glass remounted as a flush fit. Tail lights were custom machined, showing off the freshly mitted tail light housings, lenses, and trim. Custom nailhead style valve covers and oversized dual snorkel air cleaner. DSC rack and pinion system bestows steering precision. Michelin Pilot Sport high-performance tires, 265/35 R90 front and 295/35 R20 rear. Classic instruments gauges provide accurate information, while retaining the classic aesthetic. 3D printed headlight assemblies to have a symmetrical look across the front. Machined adapters bolted onto the cylinder heads. Machined finned valve covers with the Buick script and hand-fabricated air cleaner. And the front end is a subframe for the first-gen Camaro. Factory climate control sliders now control the adjustable JRI hydraulic shocks and Hooker Blackhart exhaust cutouts. Headlights custom machined, showing off the new front clamshells. Vintage air front runner, GM starter, SPAL electric fan, and a CNR oil cooler. Front turn signals crafted by a 3D printer, and the exhaust features custom rings. Tan leather is used to cover all the seating and panels by Cato's custom upholstery. Dual snorkel intake to hide the fuel rails. Wiring and relocated the coil packs behind the intake manifold. Headlight assemblies machined out of billet aluminum and chrome plated. Right-mounted circular gauge with center-mounted clock surrounded by fuel, temp, volt, and oil instruments. Custom floorboard in order to accommodate the custom frame and modern 6L90E gearbox. Trunk is home for the Optima battery mounted within a Detroit Speed relocation battery tray. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.